Tax professionals, are you drowning in spreadsheets while chasing deductions that vanish like smoke? The Tax Planning Pack slashes through complexity with AI driven entity structuring optimization, deduction maximization analysis, R&D credit eligibility scoring, and automated quarterly tax estimates. We're looking at you, CPAs crunching numbers at midnight, EAs juggling 1040s, and tax attorneys navigating corporate mazes. This isn't just software, it's your new secret weapon. Save time, reduce errors, and turn compliance into confidence. Let's make the IRS your favorite dance partner. No audit jokes, we're serious now. Here's what's inside the Tax Planning Pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies, entity structure recommendation engine using 2024 tax brackets, deduction maximization via machine learning pattern recognition, R&D credit scoring with 8974-F compliant calculations, quarterly estimate automation syncing with Form 1045 projections. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From Schedule C to Form 1120, we've got your back and your bottom line. Installing the Tax Planning Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add tax planning pack. That's it. You'll download the entire workflow: entity analysis modules, deduction logic trees, R&D credit calculators, and quarterly estimate engines. No config files, no server farms, just run it and watch your terminal do tax magic. Your next Claude Code session picks up the pack automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent Form 6166. Close your spreadsheets. Open your terminal. Let's make tax season feel like spring break. Maybe next year.